Every job requires skill and experience. To reach the level of excellence displayed by these construction workers, they have dedicated many years to honing their skills. Below are some fascinating video clips for you to witness their extraordinary abilities. Please feel free to share your thoughts and emotions after watching this review of these talented construction professionals. This man is building a traditional Russian log stove. He starts by laying the first bricks as the foundation and gradually builds it higher. The skilled craftsman constructs an incredibly beautiful and spacious stove with a tall chimney that reaches for the sky. The process of building the stove demands meticulous craftsmanship and high-level technical skills because it needs to ensure safety while maintaining the right temperature for cooking. Concrete is an incredibly durable material, but over time, it can also erode due to the effects of weather conditions. This craftsman is rebuilding a concrete staircase. First, they need to remove the old concrete layer. Then use a large wooden mold to pour in the new concrete. Finally, they smooth the surface using a construction trowel, taking care not to disturb it while it's still drying. Two craftsmen are working on the front facade of a canopy. In the first step, they apply a layer of mortar and smooth it out. Then they mark straight lines to create patterns resembling real bricks. After a while, once the wall is dried, they will apply a final layer to make it even smoother. The canopy is an ideal place for enjoying coffee, gathering with friends and hosting parties. Pouring a layer of concrete and smoothing it as much as possible. Apply another layer of mortar to make it brighter. Use molds to press down and create patterns on the surface. This results in a visually appealing patterned patio that also reduces slipperiness when it rains. The herringbone pattern is a common design in construction. The craftsman's job is to cut bricks at 45 or 90-degree angles and stack them in a zigzag pattern. It's essential to apply an adequate amount of mortar to create sharp, defined lines. To achieve this artistic wall, the worker had to dedicate hours of work, and the end result is truly deserving of praise. The process of completing a house can take anywhere from 4 to 12 months, depending on the size the homeowner desires. The first step is laying the foundation, pouring concrete into pre-built wooden forms and ensuring no activity occurs around the construction site while the foundation sets. The next steps involve building the base walls and roofing system. Once the wall structures are complete, the next step is to install doors for sound and thermal insulation from the outside. A smooth plaster layer is applied to enhance the aesthetics of the house. The interior furnishings are also progressively installed. This is the process of building a levee. This task is quite demanding, which is why it requires a large workforce to increase efficiency and shorten the completion time of the project. With years of experience, this skilled craftsman will transform an empty room into a fully functional bathroom. The first and most crucial step is renovating the walls and floor. Then, the installation of doors and other fixtures like lights, sinks, faucets, mirrors, and toilets follows. A compact yet efficient bathroom is the result of meticulous work. These two construction workers are using liquid gypsum to create the surface of walls and ceilings. After thoroughly spraying the wall surfaces, the craftsman smooths the surface. This is an economical solution for large surfaces. Gypsum walls serve as a layer of protection against fire hazards, ensuring the safety of occupants in case of a fire.